Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 25 projects coming out to you 5 a week for 5 weeks. We're in week 3, and it's a quick and simple manly card. I think this is a great one for a guy. Just the adorable Playful penguins, and I've done a little teeny tiny bit of fussy cutting to get his bow in Night of Navy, because that's the colour in the back. And I just think it's lovely with the gold from the wrapped in Plaid DSP, just charming. But I'm doing a cherry cobbler version. So I have a piece of cardstock that I've cut in half and scored it in half. I like to make tent-fold cards, mostly because that's how I photograph them. But a piece of cardstock cut in half and scored in half. Beautiful paper, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower, 1/4 inch. This one, 2.5 centimetres shorter and narrower, 3 centimetres shorter and narrower to go over there. And then this one is 5.5 by 3.5 centimetres, and that one is 5 by 3, so that's going to be 2.25 by 1 3/8, and then it's going to be 2 by 1 1/8, that sort of size. Anyway, right, so super easy to put together. Playful penguins, just gorgeous. I love them, they're so cool. Merry Swishes, that's the one I'm going to go with. And I think I'm going to put this little guy. Should I put? No, I'm going to do that one because I want to get the hat on him. So he's the one who's not looking quite so upright. So I'm getting my clear block and I'm going to line his feet up. I hope that's about right. Where's my memento ink? Over here. So this is a distinctive type of stamp, which means it's highly detailed. So you need to make sure it's well inked. And put him off to one side there. I want a teeny tiny little block for that little Santa hat. That's so cute, isn't it? Ooh. And I'm going to fussy cut this, so I just want a scrap of white. And then my cherry cobbler ink. Although I want a white. I don't know that I want the white bauble. Bobble? Bobble. But I don't know what it's going to look like in black and then coloured. Let me have a ponder of that. I'm just going to let that dry for a second while I quickly put this together. There's my snail. Just lose the rogue bit of hair. This is the joys of long hair, it gets everywhere. Oh, isn't he adorable? Oh, he's so lovely. I'm going to try and line this one up marginally better than I did last time. And I'm going to stamp Merriest Wishes while I'm here. So again, a clear block, and I'm lining up the bottom words. Onto there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my Wink of Stella and some of that cherry cobbler and go over the red part. So I don't know if I can get away with that. I think I can actually, if I just keep going over it. Get the depth of red, that works. Okay, let's fussy cut this guy out. Try not to cut the bobble off. Do you know what I probably could have done is I could have cut the red one and then cut a separate bobble, but you know, this will keep it all together. The cats are having a mad half hour outside my office. They have just come down like a herd of elephants. Crazy kitties. Oh, I'm not very good at the fussy cutting thing. I'm going to cut my nails off at this rate, aren't I? Oh, how did I manage to do a bow? I've no idea. There we go. Right, little mini glue dot on the back. And what I'm going to do with my mini glue dot, oh, hopefully you can see, is I'm going to fold it up and turn it into a bit of a ball of glue. I hold that over my thumb. And then that's going to go behind the hat. I don't believe it, I've just got... How have I just managed to get red ink there? Oh no, I'm going to have to cover that up with a rhinestone. Good job I've got those out. I've lost my dimensionals. Oh, they're underneath the stamp set. Hadn't planned to have a rhinestone up there. Apparently I'm going to have one now. Merriest Wishes off to one side, and then I've got the holiday rhinestones. And one there. I need to put something else there. We'll do it like this. There we go. You'd never know. Anyway. Error fixed. What do you think? It's cute. I think he's lovely and great for a guy. I think my husband would like one of those. Merriest wishes. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.